it's Melissa. In this video, I am going to unbox the Bai Mirror 15 needle embroidery machine. This is a perfect beginner entry-level 15 needle machine, whether you are a home-based business or you have a small shop. So it is an affordably priced, but also super powerful. It has, this is just a single head. There is also a double head version, which is the Vision. Comes in a double head, but we are going to get this out of the box. It's a little tricky to get out of the crate, so I do want to go over that. I also want to show you some important things that come in the box so that you can actually get the machine out of the box. Here we go. Okay, so here we go. This thing comes in a crate. It is a very, very large and heavy crate. I will tell you, it will fit through a standard doorway, but it does come on a pallet, and you probably are going to need a pallet jack, so make sure that you get that when you are checking out. You can add that on. So the weight of the crate itself, when it's packed up, it's over 400 pounds. The machine is also not light. It is 260 pounds. Now, what makes the crate so heavy? Obviously, it is wood, but in addition to the machine being in the crate, you also have a very heavy-duty metal stand. It is amazing that a stand comes with this because it not only is it a stand, but it's on wheels, so you can kind of move this around where you need to, but you definitely want to make sure that you have two people to do this. Now, the way that the crate comes with these metal brackets, you're just going to use a flathead screwdriver and a hammer, and you can kind of put the screwdriver in and bang the hammer, and the brackets will pop off. And when I say pop off, that's exactly what I mean. So be very careful. Make sure that there's nothing in the way that could get hit, including your eyes. So just be super careful. Okay, so once you get the brackets off of there, my suggestion and the way that I did it was I took the top off and then I took one of the smaller sides, like the shorter sides, off. So my thought was, oh, I'll be able to slide the machine out. No, wrong. The machine itself is actually bolted to the bottom of the crate for shipping. So I want you to take everything else out of the crate first. You're going to find among the other things in there, there's a bunch of boxes, there's hoops, there's some tools. One thing is this black and red little case, and inside of there is I believe it's 10 millimeter hex screwdriver, and or hex Allen wrench, and you're going to need that because that is what is actually going to fit in the two screws that are on the bottom of the crate. So you're going to unscrew those, and then when those screws come out, then you will be able to remove the machine. Again, this machine is 260 pounds. So if you can kind of slide it out the front of the box as opposed to trying to lift it out, I think you'll have an easier time. The other thing I would suggest is to put the stand together and then get the stand all together and then move everything with the machine on it and the stand to the position that you want, because by then you have it on wheels, okay? The stand is pretty easy to get together. It already comes with the four wheels on it, so you just need to use a handful of the screws also that come in the box. And they are labeled. Everything is very well labeled, and what you're going to see is on the side of one of the pieces for the stand, it has like a red sticker, and it kind of indicates to you exactly how to put it together. So it's not difficult. I put all of the brackets on one side of the stand and then attach the other stand. Then you've got these four round plates that kind of need to go on top of the stand. That's where the feet of the machine itself will sit. And then finally, get a friend, whoever, to help you lift the machine directly onto the stand, and then you can put it into place. So I will have another video on the full setup and everything, but you are going to want to install the software as well, which I will also have a video. Make sure to check back because I am going to do some additional videos, as I said, for the complete setup of this. All of the information, links and everything are in the description below.